In this video, we are going to learn some basic operations in Python. But before that, you should understand what is programming and what is the purpose of learning programming. Programming is nothing but communicating with computers. For example, if you ask your computer to do certain task for you, that is what programming. But how do we ask our computer to do certain task for us? Because computers do not understand human language. Simply you can't ask like, hey computer, can you add these two numbers for me? It will never work out. Because computers do not understand English, then in which language do we communicate with our computers? That is where programming languages comes in picture. We can use programming languages to communicate with our computers. But how exactly? That is what we are going to see in this video. Let's open Python and let's see how to communicate with our computer. Let's begin. Alright, this is the Python IDLE and this is where we are going to communicate with our computer. But how? Let me show you. For example, we want to ask our computer to add two numbers for us. How to do that? It is very easy. Just enter the first number, then enter the addition operator, then enter the second number. After entering this expression, just hit enter. We got 11. That's it. This is how we communicate with our computer. Now let's do few more operations. Let's say this time 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. We got 20. Okay, addition works well. What about subtraction? Let's try it. Let's say 10 minus 6. We got 4. That's correct. Let's say 20 minus 10. We got 10. Alright, subtraction also works very well. What about multiplication? Let's try it. Let's say 2 times 2. Here, star means multiplication. Don't forget, star means multiplication. We got 4. That's correct. Let's say 5 times 5. 25. Alright, multiplication also works very well. Then what about division? Let's try it. For example, I want to divide 7 by 2. We got 3.5. Okay. Let's say I want to divide 9 by 2. We got 4.5. Alright, division also works well. And there are two more special divisions. Let's see them one by one. For example, I want to divide 9 by 2. But I don't want 4.5. I want only 4. In that case, we have to use floor division, which is nothing but we have to add one more slash. That's it, which will give us only 4, not 4.5. This is one type of special division. And the second one is, let's say I want to divide 9 by 2. I don't want 4.5. I want only the remainder. In that case, we have to use modulus, which will give us only the remainder. Alright, these are the very basic operations which we can perform on Python. Now, let's see how to use multiple operators in same line. For example, I want to add 2 plus 2, then I want to multiply it by 4. What I'm expecting is 2 plus 2 will become 4, 4 times 4 will become 16. We got 10. Why did we get 10? Because we have to tell our computer which one should get executed first. How to tell that? For that, we have to use brackets. Let me show you an example. First, I want to add 2 plus 2. So, I have to put it inside the bracket. 2 plus 2. After that, I have to multiply it by 4. This is how it works. This time we got 16. Because in every expression, whatever there inside the bracket, those things will get executed first. After that, multiplication and division get executed. Then addition and subtraction will get executed. Okay, in the next tutorial, we are going to learn about data types. Alright, see you then.